to the old school. I'm talking about real old school.
Mira, a lo mejor lo
I
ponen
need to
ahora.
see y'all on the dance floor because it's time to electric slide. Baby, let's get this back. Come on. Come on, Cat. We're going to show them how it's going. Now look, if you don't know the electric slide, it's only been out for 500 years. I need you to get in here. Here we go. And to the right. And to the left. There you go. Back it up. Back it up. There you go. Lean with it. Right. Get it. It's electric. Back it up. Lean with it. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, understand that if you have on a matching t-shirt, you better be up on this dance floor with your family. I need to see you representing. Come on. There you go. Get it, Papa. Back it up. I got the move. Come on. Come on. This is your party ride. In town. You better get it. Come on. Just in time. There you go. Come on. I still got more room on this dance floor. I still got more room. Green granny. And your auntie and your mama too. Come on. There you go. There you go. What is it? It's electric. Boogie. Come on. What is it? It's electric. Boogie. It's electric. There you go. Come on. Boogie. Back it up. Lean with it. There you go. I still get a lot of matching t-shirts out there. Try dancing. You know you need to come down and represent. Represent. Wait, cut it. Wait a minute. Wait, hold on, Cat. What? Say what? Say what? All right, so look, ladies and gentlemen, understand that, you know, whenever Cat in the Hat comes around, he's always trying to mix some things up, all right? He brought thing one and thing two out here. And you know, they're always going to be surrounded by the boys and girls in blue from Camp Ocean. Give it up for the Camp Ocean right there, ladies and gentlemen. They're going to be taking care of the kids all week long, but right now, Cat in the Hat has a challenge for thing one and thing two, all right? We need you to lead the longest conga line ever. Ladies and gentlemen,